Sometimes a decision can't be made off just one thing. And in this example, I'm going to show you how to make a decision off of multiple things. So we notice I have this like a little alarm clock. It's not really too good of an alarm clock because it doesn't make sound, but still it gives a printf, so maybe I can sense it. But anyways, I have both things. I have a day of the week and a time. So I don't want to be woken up on Sunday or Saturday. Those are my days off. And also I don't want to be woken up before 6. So I could do if time is greater than 6, and then you do this printf. You see that works, except for what if the day of the week was 1? Well, if I run it, I think you know what's going to happen. Nothing. Greater than or equal to 6. Let's try that. You notice there's a big difference between just greater than 6 and greater than or equal to. Greater than 6 will start with 7. Greater than or equal will start with 6. But there, my alarm clock went off. But it's on a Sunday. Arg. So I need to do something where I check both. And to do that, I can use two things. I can use either double and, which stands for and, or I can use a double pipe cross, which stands for or. So let's do a double and. There's a day of week. I'm going to use an exclamation mark equals, so it does not equal 1. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Now it said wake up before. I'm going to run it now. Nothing. What if I change the day of the week to 2? I run it. Oh, it says wake up. It's Monday. Now, what if we make it to the 7th day of the week? Saturday. I'm going to run it. Wake up. Oh, man. I don't want our alarm clock doing that. We can actually do an or. I'm going to do another pair of parentheses around this. I'm going to put the or. Let's say day of week does not equal 7. So this looks like a complex phrase, but we can look at it. Okay, the time has to be greater than 6. And one of these has to be true. So it cannot be equal to 1, or it cannot be equal to 7. I go ahead and try running it. It says wake up. And you realize the or is true for this one. That's the tricky thing about ors. Let's go do and. Now let's try it. I'm getting tired of waking up early on Saturday. Oh, there we go. Nothing. So let's try all our cases. 1. It should be. It's not one. It's not Saturday or Sunday. But you notice I said or there, and I should have said and. It's not Saturday and it's not Sunday. And then time is greater than 6. Let's put 7. Go and try running it. Nothing, which is what we want. Because Sunday we want to sleep in. Save it. Gonna run it. And there we see it wakes up. And we can see. Let's go and try just 6. We know it should work. Yep, it works. Now let's try 7 to 5. Nothing. And that's what we want, because we don't want to wake up before 6 o'clock. So we didn't really see the or too well here, but we saw where it didn't work. If you can have one or the other, that's when you use that double. And that's basically it. Double and means and, double pipe means or.